No, no, 25. 25. Okay, so if you have read the chapter, then it will be easy for you to understand it today. Now, chapter name is, it is very important for everyone who is want to be healthy, either from inside or from outside. Very important for everyone, every student, either in any age, old, young. So the chapter name is health is the state of mind and body. Okay, health is state of mind and body. This health means not only for body. We always connect when we listen health. Always we connect to body. It also connect with mind also. No? A mind should also be a healthy and a body should also be a healthy. So health means whenever I'm saying health, it will connect from both mind and body. Okay. If I'm saying healthy body, it will connect to body only. If I'm saying healthy mind, it will connect to mind only. But when I'm saying only health, it will connect to mind and body both.
Yes, sir. Like physically healthy and mentally
Ah,
healthy.
so
Yes,
physically
sir.
healthy and mentally healthy. So both is important, no? You're looking healthy from outside, but from inside you're not healthy. That will not work. So from both the point, you should be healthy. Now one line is there: a physically fit body and a mentally alert mind can make every impossible thing possible. So nothing is impossible if you have physically fit body and physically fit mind. If you have these two things fit, then nothing is impossible for you. है ना? तुम अगर सही सोच रहे हो, you're fit from your mind. If you're looking fit, if from inside also you're fit, so nothing is impossible. You can
So
do
this
anything.
quotation is of which man?
Yes, yeah.
So the quotation means which is given in our book. It is whose quotation?
That I don't know which quotation. But so many quotes are there nowadays. है ना? It can be a popular, it can also not be a popular person. So if you search in Google, some are written by popular, so we can remember those names. Some are not written by popular person, so we can't remember. No? So many quotes are there. It's impossible to remember the name. So we can search it. Who has written this? Now, wellness and fitness involve. I think if you write this quote in Google, the name will also come. I think you can try it. है ना? On your mobile, you type in your Google, maybe the name will come
Okay,
also.
sir.
Huh? Then tell me the name. If you got the name, tell me the name. Then we can understand he is a famous person or not. Okay. Now wellness and anyone read. Let me start from the last one. Tomogno. Tomogno. Start from T. T is the last
May I
alphabet today. Susmita, next will be you. T after then S. Tomogno. Getting my voice or not? Okay, we'll come to you later then.
his
Susmita, then you
microphone
can.
doesn't work?
Okay, okay. Then Susmita, you can read.
Okay, sir. So from the wellness and fitness there.
Yes, yes. Wellness and fitness.
Okay, sir. Wellness and fitness involve being aware and making correct choices like being active, eating healthy food, and improving your emotional well-being. This is the most important investment you can make in your life. Strive for the best health by making mindful and healthy choices. When you do this,
Okay.
you take
Okay,
charge of
this much. Susmita, this much.
life.
Huh? This much. Only one paragraph. Try to read only one paragraph. If I say to read the second one, then you can read. So the first paragraph is saying wellness and fitness involve being aware. So whenever we say wellness and fitness, it involves being aware and making correct choices. है ना? चौकन्ना रहना और to make a correct choice. कोई भी choice correct choice करना कुछ भी. Correct choices means like being active, eating healthy food, okay, and improving your emotional well-being. So these are coming in making correct choices. This is the most important investment you can make. So many investments are there. We are making so many investments, but this is the investment because you have to invest. If you want to be healthy, you have to invest money. Without money, you can't be healthy. You have to take good foods, and good food takes good cost. So you have to invest in this also. That's why it is saying most important investment, because you have to, suppose for having healthy body, you need to eat good foods like fruits. Fruits are very costly. Almonds, dry fruits. Dry fruits are also very costly. So being healthy is also very costly, but you don't need to adopt these costly things. You can do cheaper things also. No? Green vegetables you can have. You can have proper exercises also. Green vegetables are not so costly, so you can use those. But think about that you have to, you need all the vitamins, nutrition in your body. You have to put all the vitamins, nutrition. You have to think about that. What vitamins you are taking, what proteins you are taking from this food. है ना, हमें we should have knowledge about this. पता होना चाहिए हम जो खा रहे हैं उसमें क्या क्या है. You should have knowledge. Yes, Shreya?
So I have searched about the quote, that whose quote it is, but it is not showing anything.
Not showing, na? So
Yes, sir.
no problem. Some famous person will be there, na, it will show you very easily. But now
I think it is not by any famous person. Otherwise,
yes.
in Google it would come.
Yes, the name will automatically come. If you write the code, the name will automatically come. Because nowadays quote are written by everyone. है ना? मैं भी quote लिख सकता हूँ और मैं भी Google में छोड़ सकता हूँ. I can write a simple quote and I can say it in Google also. So Google is for everyone. You can share your thoughts also in Google. है ना? So we can't take Google seriously. Google को seriously मत लेना. If you searching for something good, something related to body, don't take seriously because it may be wrong. It is written by everyone, na? So don't take it correct. Search it in different platforms, then adopt it. Now, so you have to invest in few foods, but without investment also, less investment also, you can have a good physique and a healthy mind. Strive for a best health by making mindful and healthy choice. So your choice should be healthy. Whatever your choice is, you have to think about your choice. Is it good or not? Whatever vitamins are there, whatever nutrients are there, what nutrients this food is containing. So always think about that. Then only you will get the good food. Now few points are there. Yashika, read the points. Five points are there. Yashika left.
May I?
Srijita. Adrija, I will come to you. No?
Hello, sir. Sorry. By mistakenly, it was disconnected.
Okay, Yashika, then you start.
Yes, sir.
5 points are there, so read those 5 points one by one.
When you do this, first, you take charge of your life and feel good about the choices you make. Second point, gain energy and feel fit. Third one is experience improved physical health. Fourth is acquire a positive outlook and find more enjoyment in your life. Fifth one is be a role model for your family and friends.
Okay, so on the top paragraph, whatever we have seen, if you do those things, what you'll get? You take charge of your life and feel good about the choices you make. Start feeling good, है ना? जब तुम healthy food लोगे, healthy positive सोचोगे, so what you will acquire? You feel good, है ना? About the choices you make. Whatever choices you are making, you feel good. अच्छा लगेगा ना? You feel good from inside, and that is the important thing. And from inside you should feel good. We are doing exercises because to fit ourselves, not from outside only, from inside also. है ना? जब तुम exercise करोगे, anyone is doing exercise daily? Exercise करता है daily? Any student who is doing?
Yes, sir. So in the morning I have done, and yes, sir, that time.
Sir,
Shreya is also doing. Adrija is also doing. Ogni also doing.
Sir, I doing
Yes,
evening.
Adrija? Doing evening. Both the time is correct. Palak is also doing. Okay, both the time is correct. At the evening, whatever time is good for you, whenever you feel free, at least give 1 hour to your body. Okay, 1 hour is enough. Either give 30 minutes is also enough.
Yeah, sir. So
Either
morning
yoga.
walk is a very good choice.
Morning is very good, but for morning you have to wake up early, and you should be
Yes,
free.
sir.
When you go to school, it is very difficult to get time in the morning, na? Because your school is from
Sir, school is
6 in
not
the
there.
morning.
That's why we are getting this time because if school, then
That's
we are
why
ready for grades. That's
But
why.
if we
you have
are
to
in
be ready.
school, then automatically some exercise happens because in school we have to climb up the stairs, we have to go to the
Yeah,
playground. So
that will
automatically,
count the exercise, but you have to think about your body because mind you have to correct your mind also. That you are doing in a pressure. That you have to do. That's why you are doing. है ना तुम्हें चढ़ना है इसलिए तुम चढ़ रहे हो. You have to तुम्हें स्कूल जाना है इसलिए तुम जा रहे हो. You are not willing to do that. है ना you are not doing it by your choice. You have to do it. That's why you are doing. So if you are doing exercise because that time you are doing it your choice. है ना तुम अपने मर्जी से कर रहे हो. But climbing stairs, going to school by walking, that is not your choice. That you have to do. That's what you're doing. That's your routine. That's what you're doing. Right?
but sir,
Yes.
if friends are there in school, then automatically we jump, we play because
If you are
friends
having
are
game
there.
period, that will also affect your body. That will also affect your body. Yes, Adriya?
Yes, sir. So regarding school hours, we are having games period or etc. On that time, we usually do yoga some days. So it's also a kind of exercise.
Yes, yes, yes. Some specific exercises are there that will help your body. Not only running, because look, if you run daily, that will not help uh, too much, है ना? Because you have to, if you have fat, you have to work it in a different time. है ना कुछ कुछ चीज के लिए अलग से टाइम देना पड़ता है डेली एक्टिविटीज में हम उसे ऐड नहीं कर सकते कुछ कुछ चीज डेली एक्टिविटीज में ऐड हो जाता है बट है ना बट नॉट एवरीथिंग वी कैन ऐड है ना हर चीज ऐड नहीं कर सकते नाउ गेन एनर्जी एंड फील इट विल गेन एनर्जी ऑल्सो राइट अगर तुम सारा दिन बैठे रहोगे इफ यू सिट इन योर हाउस राइट नाउ यू आर सिटिंग इन योर हाउस इन होल डे you're not getting energy but when you go to school you spend time coming from school that time you're having so much energy if you compare it from today है ना आज से अगर मैं कंपेयर करूंगा तो इन दैट टाइम व्हेन यू आर गोइंग स्कूल यू विल हैव मोर एनर्जी राइट उस टाइम ज्यादा एनर्जी था है ना व्हाट डू यू थिंक दिस टाइम यू आर गेटिंग मोर एनर्जी और द टाइम दैट यू यूज्ड टू गो स्कूल दैट टाइम यू हैव एनर्जी
So school.
So
Cool,
school.
na?
School.
Because you
Yes,
are
sir.
active that time you're active that time because you are using your body parts and that's why you look active and you gain energy you feel fit that time now third point is experience improve physical health the experience also help you to improve your health right acquire a positive outlook and find more enjoyment in your life it will help you to give a positive outlook है ना हम बाहर से कोई देखेगा हमें तो उन्हें भी लगेगा कि हाँ आई एम लुकिंग फिट है ना if you are feeling fit from inside from outside other person can also see that you are fit दिखने लगेगा ना it can be seen from outside also but to acquire that you have to exercise properly है ना बाहर से दिखने के लिए तुम्हें अच्छे से एक्सरसाइज करना पड़ेगा otherwise it will not look from outside तुम बहुत एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो फिर भी बॉडी में फैट आ रहा है it means you are not doing in a correct way not only exercise you have to control your food also if you are taking pizza samosa oily foods lots of ghee you are taking exercise will not work with your exercise you have to control your food habits also you have to control your rest time also if you are giving rest to your body that will also very important right rest is also very important look I have seen somewhere that my mom cook without oil how without oil or less oil
Without oil.
without oil how
Yes, sir. Sir, that you have to ask my mother.
without oil means From starting, what she gave?
So with
Fry
water.
with water.
Fry with water.
Okay. It will taste good
Yes, sir. There is no
or
change of
normal.
state. No change of state.
Sir,
Okay.
but how can vegetables
Ah,
be fried in water?
Yes, sir.
that I don't know. That
That
that our
that
mothers know.
I don't know how to do because
Ah,
I never go to kitchen.
I've
Sir,
never. Yes.
sir, like if we are frying some fish, then how can it be done with water? It will be
Yes.
boiled.
Maybe she is not saying for everything, but not for everything. That's it. For some.
For frying fish, little bit means 1 teaspoon oil is enough, but not for the
Hmm.
curry or
No, she is not
suppose.
saying for everything. Means for some foods are there which is they are using water, but some
Sir,
for
also
frying
fish curry is done without oil.
fish
Uh,
curry without oil.
Chicken, mutton also without oil, but fish fry
So other
should
student
have
can
little
try.
bit.
Other student can try Shreya's tiffin. Then you will
Sir,
understand the taste.
actually, I know one thing that omelette can be done without oil, like
Yes,
in
it
water.
can be done. Yeah.
Uh,
Yes, I know only
without.
this.
I've heard this, but I've never tried.
Yes,
I
sir. Me
also
too.
cook.
Sir, actually, on YouTube you get these types of video and you can try it.
Okay, okay. I've never tried. I've cooked so many food, but I've never tried with water.
Sir,
I used to.
actually, my grandfather know how to make that, but it's so snaily that even I cannot try it.
Okay, okay. So if you want to try, then you
Only
can
for
try.
that you will take more time than cooking with oil.
You
Only
need more time for cooking
yeah.
because if you are using water, it will take time.
Yes, sir.
Also
So you
luchi
can
can be
try
done.
Shreya's tiffin when you used to go to school. When school start, you can try Shreya's tiffin to
Yes,
get the
sir. We are
taste of water.
try Shreya's tiffin.
When school will open, you can try. Okay, so now you should look. It will give a result that you will look positive from outside also. Now the last one is very important. Be a role model for your family and friends. If you are looking good, if you are looking positive, confident from outside and inside both, you will become a role model, है ना? Role model कैसे बनते हैं? इन चीजों से बनते हैं ना? If anyone finds something good in you, then you can become a role model for him or her. So try to achieve that point so that you can so anyone think about to make you a role model, either your friend or family, relatives. So we all feel yes now. Srijita. Srijita, next paragraph. Yes, Susmita. Ruchi also can't done without oil.
Yes, sir, how Ruchi can be done without oil?
Yes, yes, yes. That's why she's not saying everything.
Wait,
She's
Oil
not
can
saying
wait,
everything.
I'm writing on the message.
Yes, she's not saying everything.
Yes, sir. Sir, hello, sir.
Most
It
mostly they
must
use
be
water.
roti, I think. Without oil, it must be roti.
Without oil, it must be
No,
okay.
no, no. You'll need to
And it will become
special
soft.
type
If
of
you're using
machine.
water, it will become soft.
No,
If you
no,
use
Sir,
water,
no,
it will.
sir. It's not with
Yes.
water. You will need one more means machine to make it.
But for frying, you need oil, na?
No, sir.
Without oil.
So wait, I'm writing on message.
Okay. Okay. So the
So
some
actually,
techniques will be there.
oil means the oil is
Used to,
needed.
yes, sir. I also think.
but secondary options will are they available there. You have to.
Water, how it can.
That I don't know that
But I think it may
because
can,
I've
but the
never.
taste is not like that.
Taste will
Yes,
be different. Obviously, the taste will be different.
So the taste
My
will be
father
somewhat
has seen
different.
the my father
So
has seen
please
the
check.
video
If you
from
tell, I
YouTube.
can send you the video.
Okay, okay. My father has seen the video from YouTube by one of the best doctor of AIMS. Okay, look, and some techniques are must be there, ना? Because एक चीज से सब कुछ नहीं होता ना. For doing one thing, there are so many ways. For cooking food also, maybe this is a different way.
Sir, if you
Taste will
ask,
be
then I will tell you that especially in the foreign country, they don't apply the oil. So
Yes,
how
they
can
always
we?
try to boil. They always try to boil.
Yes, they
Yes.
they try to boil, but here we are not boiling. We are means frying
We're,
it, but without oil.
we're cooking it. We're giving time. They're
Sir,
not
if you
giving time.
tell, then
They're
I
just
can send the video.
okay. Okay, send the video group.
Yes.
We all will check it. Okay.
Sir, in
Okay.
foreign countries, you can see that they use oil, but like in salad or etc. But they use always the olive
Very
oil,
less.
which is
Olive oil. Yes,
no.
yes, olive oil. And
But I
very
don't
less oil
use
they use.
any oil.
Sir, we are also having olive oil in our home for making salad and etc. But means in Bengali food, we can see that it is cooked by mustard oil or
Mustard oil.
anything.
I think mustard oil is the best. If you are using very less oil, mustard oil is the best for. I
Yes,
don't know about
sir.
other oils, but mustard oil is the best if you are using in a less quantity.
Sir, actually, 4 tablespoon of olive oil is equal to 1 tablespoon of mustard oil.
Uh, 4 tablespoons is good. One tablespoon.
Yes, sir.
But the taste will be different. You'll get the different taste.
Yes, sir. Sir, mustard oil is more tastier than olive
Uh,
oil.
it will be tasty because we are habitual with that, na? We're always habitual with that. That's why if you change your habit by using olive oil, it will also look tasty. Because we are
Yes.
habitual, we need time to change our habits. Okay, sir, I will send the video. Now the next, Srijita, read the next paragraph. Srijita, Shreya. Shreya, now you can read.
Yeah. Yes, sir. We all feel
Okay?
stressed at times. It could be due to your exam or any competitive event you have to participate in. How you react to stress will determine its effect on you. So, take steps to prevent or manage stress.
Okay. So, yes, Adrija, want to say anything?
No, sir, I have raised the hand for reading that.
Okay, okay. I will come to you. Huh? Alphabet wise, I will come to you. From the last, today I'm starting from the last.
Okay, sir.
So we all feel straight at time, है ना? सबके पास एक टाइम आता है जब हम लोग स्ट्रेस फील करते हैं. Either it is exam time, or maybe we have something we are facing from some difficulties in our life. Any competitive events also will be there. How you react to stress will determine its effect on you. So it's all about our reaction. है ना? हम लोग कैसे react करें? Everything depends on our reaction. If your reaction is in a calm way, you can handle it. If you react in a different way, it depends everything in your reaction. हाँ? कैसे react कर रहे हो उस पर depend करता है. One reaction story is there in your book. At the last, a reaction story is there. How reaction depends on you. So it's, stress is big or small. It depends on your reaction. कैसे react कर रहे हो उस पर depend करता है कि जो stress है वो ज़्यादा हो रहा है या कम हो रहा है. You can control that stress by your reaction. है ना? It affects your body less if your reaction is good. It affects your body more if your reaction is different. So take steps to prevent and manage stress. So many steps are there you can take. It depends on every situation. है ना? हर situation पे depend करता है how to react. There is no particular way to react, but it depends on every situation. By following these few steps, you can prevent and manage stress. Can you tell me how to manage? कैसे manage कर सकते हैं? Suppose some difficulty is coming and some exam is coming. Take it as exam, है ना? Some exam is coming. You are having stress. How to control that stress? What should be the process? क्या process हो सकता है? How can we control that stress or exam stress?
Sir, may I tell?
Yes, Ogni, then Adrisha.
Yes, sir. So we have to maintain the diet routine. Means we should not eat the stress food. Means we should not eat the heavy food and not the junk food also, and not too much oily food, so that we can fall sick. We should use more which are more full of nutrients, not like the junk foods. So that we can make healthy and no need of then no weakness will be happened, and we will get our exam goodly. So we should eat good food that time.
Yes, good food is also correct. And Adrija, what is your point?
Yes, sir. So for refreshing our mind, we should eat nuts like almonds and etc. It can help to remind everything. And sir, we have to do meditation or yoga to keep us calm and to refresh our mind. So sir, in this way we can score good in exams. Also, sir, we can make a routine that in today I will read these chapters of this subject, etc., which will be helpful for us to remind every chapter and to get a revision of every chapter easily.
Yes, planning. Planning is very important. Na? If you are in a
Yes, sir.
if you are going in a planning way, you'll get less stress. Planning and meditation. Yes, good. Now, any other student, if you have any different point, just low.
So we should do meditation every day. That point.
Yes, meditation is good. So one more thing we need, that is rest. है ना? What we used to do in exam, we used to give more time. We will decrease our rest time. है ना? रात को हम लोग जागना शुरू कर देते हैं. So don't do that. Give proper planning. Don't use your every time to reading. Give rest to your body. If you're not giving rest to your body, automatically your stress will increase.
So I have
है ना?
said
Rest
it.
time. अगर
Hello, sir.
yes,
Sir, I have
okay,
no
the YouTube link.
charge in my phone. Only 10, only 5% is there. See, if I
You
left,
can
then please take my attendance.
okay, okay. Time is already, what is the time? 12:27.
May I share
So,
one more point?
yes, Aditya, you can say.
Yes, sir. Sir, in exam times, you can see that students read for continuous 6 or 7 years. Sorry, years, not hours.
Hours.
And sir, yes, sir, hours. But sir, in a psychology fact, we will know that in exam times we should read about 2 hours, and then we will take a break for snacks or etc. And then we will read another 2 hours. Like this, by taking breaks, we can
Yes,
easily
yes.
revise that chapters.
Yes, like this same planning, I have seen one video. You have to give 2 hours, then give 15 minutes for your time for rest, you know, for having snacks. Then again you read for 2 hours, then again give 15 minutes rest. So like this, you can control your stress. है ना? इसे ऐसे stress control कर सकते हैं, and you can
Yes, sir.
give your time for study. Will not be bored.
Yes, sir. So also we can go for our hobbies.
If you are in your rest time, you can go for your hobby. If you are painting, you can do painting. If you
Yes,
have
sir.
exercises, you can do exercises. If you want to make something, some creativity work, you can do that also.
So have you
Mehndi.
got the YouTube link?
Yes, yes, I have got. You have sent in chat box, or you have sent in group also.
Sir, in the chat box. I'll send it on group.
Yes, send in group so that we can see
Okay,
after the
okay.
class also. Because it will take time, na? What is the length of the video?
Sorry.
What is the length of the video?
Sir, wait. Sir, length is 20 minutes.
Okay, okay. So we have to see it after the class. In class we can't see it. Okay, send me in that group, huh? So that
Sir,
we can
it
see
is
after that.
series number 1 means after that there are many series.
Series are there, na? For different cooking, for different food,
Yeah, sir.
there's a different series, na? Because it is different for different foods. Time is also matter. How we have to start, that also matter. So now, so this is the way that we can prevent our exam stress. So like this, we have different steps for different situations. So we can adopt these steps and we can manage our stress. Now, after Shreya, Palak.
Yes, sir.
Palak, read the next paragraph.
Yes, sir. There can and will be many temptations around you, such as junk food, vices, which can hamper your health and happiness. Hence, it is important to be mindful of the choices you make for your health and well being. Nothing is more important than taking care of yourself. Be active, enjoy hobbies, and spend quality time with your family and friends.
Okay. So it is saying that nothing is more important than taking care of yourself. So taking care of yourself will come first. Every time it will come first. So take care of yourself. That will be your first priority. After that, other thing will come. Okay. Okay, Susmita, if you don't have charge, no problem. Very few time is there. I will take your attendance. So there
So now
can
how many minutes you will take the class
only
now?
this paragraph and the few points are there, 5 points. That will be the last. Okay, 5 points are there. That points is the last. Now there can and will be many temptation around you. So around you, so many disturbance, so many problems will be there, and everyone is having problem. No one is out of problem. But it's your reaction, how you're reacting. You're taking that problem as a problem or that problem as a solution. It's your. It depends on you. प्रॉब्लम को तुम प्रॉब्लम सोच रहे हो और यू आर जस्ट टेकिंग इट एज अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम नाउ some temptations will be there and something wrong thing will be there like junk food vices which can hamper your health and happiness okay जैसे फूड सोर्स देवाश्रिता what happened देवाश्रिता also left okay
Sir, I think her tuition teacher have came. That's why she want to take the attendance.
okay only 3 minutes more है ना 3 minutes more then will let me complete this paragraph then you can leave na? Very few time is there so many junk foods are there that when you go outside you can see so many junk food है ना जब बाहर निकलोगे you can see full of junk food lays are there you can see samosa is there है ना so many oily foods are there but you have to distract your mind that will distract your mind है? Yeah, but you have to change your mind from those to healthy food so it depends on you you're changing or you're going to that point hence it is important to be mindful of the choices you make for your health and well-being so it depends on your choice huh? To make your healthy and well-being. Nothing is more important than taking care of yourself. So it is very important to take care of yourself. Nothing is more important than this. Be active, enjoy hobbies, and spend quality time with your family and friends. So these things you have to do. You have to be active. You have to enjoy your hobbies. Whatever hobbies you have to spend quality time with your friends and families. Now 5 points are there. How you can do these things. Strive for balance between various activities. Okay, if you try to balance between various activities. So many activities are there that you have maybe may you have different so many choices है ना तुम्हारे पास बहुत सारे choices है but you don't have time for that so what you have to do you have to balance ऐसा ना हो कि मैं एक कर रहा हूँ if you are having hobbies in sport but don't do like this that you are playing sport and you are missing your classes don't do like this you have to make balance between your class and your hobby so balance should be there don't hamper other subject for your hobbies ठीक है so this is very important you have to balance this spend time with your loved one so you have to give time also not only your subject you are giving time only your subject your hobbies you have to give time your loved one also you have to give time to your mother you have to give time to your father grandmother whoever is there in your family you have to give time to them also you have to sit with them you have to talk with them you have to share your experience with them so this is also very important now ask for help whenever you need support from others so don't hesitate to ask for help is needed है ना either we are expert in that or not help is needed because a single hand we can't do everything we need a helping hand also so don't hesitate to ask for support either he is friend or he is unknown to you you can ask in a respectful way for support for help And next is be open-minded to try something new. Yes, this you have to keep in your mind, that be open-minded. Always you have to be open-minded to try something new. Right? कुछ भी नया try करने के लिए हमेशा ready रहना. You have to be ready to try something new, because that can be your hobby also. Without trying, you can't understand that this is good or not. You have to give it try. Right? Try करना पड़ेगा. Otherwise, you can't understand it is good for you or not. You like that field or not. To understand that, you have to try. So, like a hobby or an activity. It can be any activity. It can be a play also, drama, dance, everything. It can be anything. So be open-minded always. Don't think that I don't know that, I don't like that, so I will not go that, I will not try that. Always try at least. After that, you decide. Now, last one is talk to your family doctor who can advise if and when you need it. Look, we all don't have family doctors. Some people are having family doctor, but every student will not have family doctor. So you can consult any doctor for your regular checkup, for your health, what you need for your good health, what is not good for your health, what foods you should take. है ना? You should consult your doctor. Either it is personal doctor or you have to visit doctor. Right? These are the 5 points that you have to keep in your mind to be healthy and to think healthy from your body or from your mind. So this is all for today. We'll start eating habits in next class. And one story is there. This is a very good story. So read this in next class. Okay. So just wait. Let me
Okay,
take the
sir.
attendance.
Okay, sir.
And sir, the
Yes,
speech of Sundar Pichai is also
it
marvelous.
is very interesting. This is very interesting. You can understand the reaction and responding. है ना? How to react with the problem you can understand from this story. कैसे react
Yes.
करना है with your problems, with your difficulties, how to react. It's everything depends on your reaction ना. कैसे तुम react कर रहे हो. पहले अगर देख के डर जाओगे, so you can't solve that problem.
Yeah.
First think about that problem, then think how to solve, what will happen in future if I doing this, if you are taking these steps. So think about the problem, then you react. Without thinking, don't react. That is not a good thing. Okay, so
Yes.
now you
Sir.
can left the call. Okay, this is all for today.
And sir,
Bye bye.
3 parts are there of that video.
Speech, na? For the speech.
No,
Yes, 3
sir,
parts
I'm
are-
telling about the no oil cooking.
Okay, that video.
Yeah, sir.
3 parts. You have sent 1 part, na?
Yes, sir. So part 2,
Okay.
part 3 will come after that, but I'll
It will
send
come
the
after
3.
that. I will see all the parts. Let me.
Okay, sir.
After
And
the
sir,
class, I
please
will.
try it. Please try it.
Okay, I will try. If it. So if I use water, it will also cost very less, na?
Yes,
Oil is
sir.
very costly.
Nothing, only water.
Not,
No oil.
yes. So I will try it. I will try it.
The expenditure of oil will also be lessened after that.
Yes. And it will also good for our body also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will
So
try.
the lecture that I have sent, that is by one of the best doctor of AIMS, so you can rely it.
Okay. So I will understand if I see the video.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. It is
I will
in
see and I will
Hindi.
tell you. Hindi. Okay. So I will see and I will tell you. When I will, if I try that,
Yes,
I will
sir.
tell you.
And sir, I'll request everybody to try it.
Everyone must see that, because if it is with water, we can cook a food with water. Then it is good for our health also, good for our expenses also. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
any question, anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.